Okay, right smack in the middle again. It's going to be self-leveling. It'll push it out to the edge. See how it's going out to the edges? I think this is going to look so cool. It'll be a big surprise when you look inside the cake, go to cut the cake, and you go like, oh my gosh! There's no flavor, it's just white and red. It's just a white cake. So it'll be fun. Okay, now we're going to go back to the red. See how we're staying right smack in the middle? And it's going out to the sides. Looks like a target. Ha ha ha. Bullseye. Here we go again. Equally on each side. Trying to keep it smack in the middle. It's going to look so cool inside. Okay, then we're going to go back to the white. If we had weighed out these batters evenly, there would be an even amount, but I look like I've got more red than I do white, so, but that's okay. I planned for extra. And we're at the halfway point on each pan right now. So the red should bring it right up to where we want it. We'll end with red on it. Scraping, not wasting anything. Right smack in the middle. Okay, last one with red. And I'm scraping off the side of the cup because I don't want excess to drop in the area where I don't want it. Try and keep an accurate measure. Okay, look how full that pan is. It's like right where we want it for the cake batter, for the cake to rise up where we want it. Isn't that fun? You can do this for any holiday. If you want to do Easter, you can do so many different colors for this for Easter and surprise everybody. You can do drops in it. You can do, there's so much you can do with playing with the colors of the batters on this cake. Okay, we've got it all put into our pan, so we're going to pop this into an oven at 350 degrees for roughly about 40 to 45 minutes. We'll test it to make sure it's done, and then when we come back, we'll have it all done for you, and you're going to be in for a big surprise as to how it looks. Okay, you can see that the cakes are out of the oven and cooled, and that we've got them here so that you can see how the red and the white work together really well. Isn't that a bright red? I was like, wow, I love that. That is so cool. You can't tell my favorite color is red, can you? All right, we're going to put a little buttercream on here so we can put the second layer on. 2 layers together is a tier. So if somebody says they want a 1-layer cake, no. Or they want 3 layers, no. They want 3 tiers. A 2-layer cake is a tier. So a 3-tier cake is your wedding cake. Give you a little information from a professional standpoint. Okay, we're filling our center with the buttercream. And I've got that one done. So we're going to put a little more buttercream here on the edge because it's kind of rounded, so I want to fill that in so it doesn't fall over on me. Make a little well in the center, building up the side. Okay, taking my spatula, going around the edge of the pan. So the cake comes out beautifully. Set it there where we want. This is our parchment that we set on there. Comes out really quick. Throw that away. Okay. Let's put a little more buttercream on here. And this is how you frost a cake without a parchment bag. Put the buttercream, puddle it on there. Set it next to it, rock it back and forth.